Hello my beautiful friends, today we are going to discover the verb to buy at the present indicative. Just to sum up a bit about the present indicative. The present simple shows an action that happened now, and habit, a fact valid now and forever. The verb to buy belongs the first conjugation, and now let's go to discover the conjugation at the present indicative.
Io compro una tazza. Tu compri 4 banane. Egli, ella compra una calcolatrice.
It, in Italian language, is.
Esso.
In the spoken language, the third singular persons is.
Lui, lei.
Now, let's continue with the plural persons of this conjugation.
Noi compriamo un'automobile. Voi comprate una matita. Essi comprano un violino.
Also the third person plural, that in Italian is the following.
Essi, esse.
In the spoken languages.
Loro.
And now, let's repeat all together.
Io compro, tu compri, egli, ella compra.
The third singular person, in the spoken language, is.
Lui, lei compra.
And now, the three plural persons.
Noi compriamo, voi comprate, essi, esse comprano.
The third plural person, in the spoken languages.
Loro comprano.
And now, are you ready to shop? Video tutorial is over. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Ciao.
Il video tutorial è terminato. Iscrivetevi al canale e ci vediamo presto. Ciao!